Hi everyone, welcome back to Sun's Arts. If you're new, welcome to the family. Today we are going to make some of the Christmas tree DIYs. So let's start with DIY number 1, and this is one of the cotton yarn in a light green color, and I'm just taking a piece of a cardboard and I took a straight piece and I added in a straight line, and then I circulated this with maybe 25 times, and then I'm just pulling this out of the cardboard and I'm knotting it down. And I'm also creating one more knotting around the almost half inch of this tassel, and I'm knotting it tightly so it doesn't come out. And I'm going to trim off the excess of this yarn, and I'm going to cut this to make a cute tassel. I'm also going to give like a nice haircut to look nice. So I just made 6 of them to make it look like a Christmas tree. And I also got one of this frame from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to take one of this tissue paper in beige color, and I'm going to iron off this paper to remove any wrinkles, and then I just attach to the back of this picture frame. And I'm arranging all these tassels, 3 in the bottom, 2 on the top, and 1 on almost top to create like a Christmas tree look there. And I'm going to stick all these 6 of them using dab of a hot glue, just like so. And I'm also going to arrange some greenery on the top, and I use this cardboard to get like a same height of tassels, so otherwise I usually do with my fingers. And I just attach some of this greenery and one golden berry to top it to call it done. So this is a cute Christmas tree decor that I wanted to do from a long time, and I got the opportunity to do it. And I just love this light tone of this green yarn, and I'm very much happy how this turned out. I wanted to know what you all think about it. Please let me know. This video will be part of Christmas Trees collab, and this is hosted by Tosha or Sunflower Tosha DIYs and Kate from So Kate. I'm going to link the crafting channels of these 2 creative ladies in my description box, as well as the link to huge playlist. So please watch all of our videos and give lots of love. Let's move on to DIY number 2. For this, I'm going to take one of this red truck paint art kit sign, and I'm going to paint it down with this red color for the truck as usual. And I'm going to give the Christmas tree green, you guessed it right. So I'm going to show how this turned out after they all painted. And I also used white paint to decorate the Christmas tree with ornament and garlands in there. And I also wanted to paint the tires with black paint and white paint, and this is how it looks after it's all done. And I also took one of this brown paint to paint this base of this wooden piece on where the truck is standing on. And the border, I wanted to give like a black all around it to actually brighten the design, and I'm glad I did that because the truck looks more cute and bright now. So I also took one of this white paint pen to actually decorate the Christmas tree. And these are the 2 of the greeneries I'm just attaching to the base of the truck, and 1 pine cone in the center. And I also gave like a coat of white chalk paint on top of it to give like a nice snow effect there. And yeah, this is another Christmas tree decor using this red truck. Red truck has to be there for the Christmas trees, right? So I thought I should include this in all the DIYs today. I hope you like it. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 3. For this DIY, I'm going to take one of this galvanized Christmas tree sign from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to paint all over with this white chalk paint. 1 coat was good enough. After it is dried, I just took some of this tissue paper which has beautiful dainty Christmas greenery all over it, and using Mod Podge I'm just brushing all over this painted surface of the Christmas tree, and I'm just taking a piece of this tissue paper and I'm gently rubbing with my fingers to remove any air bubbles, and I'm going to let it dry after it is all adhered well, and I'm just going to let it dry, and I wanted to sand it down to give like a neat look to it. This is how it looks after it's dried. Here we go. I'm just sanding it down all the corners, and now I wanted to decorate this with this Merry Christmas bright red sign, and I'm just going to remove that hanger part, and I'm going to attach this in the center where all the letters exactly sit inside the Christmas tree part. So I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue, I'm sticking it in the center of the Christmas tree, and also took some of this pine cones, and those shiny red caps, they also were part of this pine cone bag, and I'm attaching those two together to give like a nice festive look there. And I attached two of these pine cones on top of the Christmas tree, and I wasn't happy there. I also wanted to give some more decoration to the top, so I just went with some more greenery and flowers. You're going to see that, and this is one of the picture frames back part. I used the other parts of the picture frame, so I'm just attaching that to the back so it just stands on its own. See, isn't that pretty? So I also took some of this poinsettia and some Christmas greenery and a green bell to decorate the top of the Christmas tree, and this is how it turned out after all the decorations. And yeah, please let me know. I'm just loving this. Please let me know what you think about it. Let's move on to DIY number 4. For this, I'm going to use one of this Christmas tree box, and I'm going to paint it with the same brown paint. I think one top was good enough. It gave like a nice coverage, and I just took one of this another Christmas tree piece from actually ornament from Walmart. It's 98 cents, and I just took generous amount of hot glue and I stuck it to the top part, the front part, the painted surface, and I wanted to fill some Christmas greenery in there, and this is how it looks after it's stuffed with Christmas greenery. I just love the look of this Christmas tree that I got from Walmart. Actually, it has got like nice wooden texture with some snow effect there and snow sprinkled all over it, so nice winter look there. I'm just loving it. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 5. For this, I'm going to decorate this Dollar Tree candle, the long pillar candles, and I'm going to use this beautiful Christmas tree printed tissue paper. So I just measured according to the size of this candle, and I cut it down. So now I'm going to remove this sticker. It's actually bothering me. Just scraped it down, and I also used glue gun to remove all the excess of this glue residue, and this works really great. So this is how it looks, like a clean candle now. Now I also wanted to attach this on top of this candle using generous amount of Mod Podge, and I'm brushing it down, and I'm going to carefully attach to the whites until the white surface of the candle wax. And I wanted to attach this with gently. I'm pressing it against this candle to remove any air bubbles, and I'm going to work my way to attach all of the tissue paper, and I'm going to show how this looks in just a second. So this is how it looks, you guys, after it's done. I'm also just brushing it down to the base part so the paper doesn't show ugly, and I'm just using the same beautiful a light green cotton yarn around it, and it's actually matching with the Christmas tree on top of this candle. So I just circulated 2 times and I knotted it down, and I wanted to leave little bit of this yarn to add some more of this wooden beads. I have this painted red beads from my previous project, and I gave a little bit of a hot glue to the tips of this yarn to give like a nice needle effect there, and I inserted two of these beads. One is red and one is beige color, and I'm knotting it down so the beads stay in place there. And I did the same for the other yarn too, to give like a nice beaded tassel to it. So I'm also taking some of this ivy leaf on either side, which is already having like a nice snow frosting look there, and some red beads in the center to finish the look. And I'm absolutely happy how this candle turned out, and this could be a nice Christmas gift to anyone. And this is something handmade and you didn't spend much, and this print of this beautiful tissue paper looks so classy and hand painted look there, and I just fell in love with it when I saw the finest detail to it. I just love this paper, and I'm going to do some more projects using this. And yeah, this is one of it, and I wanted to share it with you all today. So please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 6. For this, we are going to repurpose one of the shadow box that I used earlier in the earlier projects, and I'm also going to use some of this green Christmas trees and one of this sign. This is also from Walmart for 98 cents, and I'm going to attach this on top of this shadow box. And for this, I'm just taking generous amount of hot glue and I'm attaching this wooden Christmas tree on one corner of the shadow box, and the sign, the arrow sign on the top to say this Christmas tree farm look there. And I'm attaching tiny Christmas trees, brush Christmas trees. This all are from Dollar Tree. They come 10 in a pack, and then I just clustered it together to give like a nice Christmas tree from there. And I could have added a bow on the top. For some reason I was happy with the look, so I stopped there. So yeah, this is another Christmas tree decor that I want to share with you all today. I hope you like it. Please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 7. I promise this is a quick hack, and this is one of the cute Christmas tree salad plate that I was very much in love with. The Christmas trees were like so beautifully painted, and it's having like tiniest detail to it. So I wanted to decorate this with some snow on top, so I'm just brushing it down with some Mod Podge, and I'm sprinkling this fall snow on top of it to give like a snow effect on top of the Christmas tree. And I also brushed the corners with the Mod Podge, and I just attached one of this Christmas pick on top with cute fruits on it, and I'm just painting with white paint to give like a nice snow effect there. And this is done, and this is all I wanted to do with this plate. And I'm so happy how this turned out, because those beautiful Christmas trees have like a tiniest detail. Like I said, you see how the tiny details are showing up, so I wanted to incorporate this also in one of the DIYs today, and the snow on top added more glamour to it. So I'm just happy how this turned out. So yeah, please let me know your thoughts. Let's move on to DIY number 8. This is also a quick hack, you guys, and this is one of the glass lantern that I got from Dollar Tree, and I decorated the top with this ribbon and a bow. Now I'm going to add some Epsom salt to give like a snow base there, and I sprinkle some fall snow on top of it, and I'm adding one of the Christmas tree into the glass jar, and that's all we are doing here. And isn't that pretty? I just wanted to add this also into part of the tree, Christmas tree collab today. So here it is. these are the social media handles if you'd like to connect with me. And now we have come to the last part of the video, the final reveal. This is the final reveal of all the Christmas tree DIYs today, and I'm so happy how all these turned out, and I hope you enjoyed watching and working along with me. And if you like any of these ideas and you would like to join the family, I'd be more than happy if you click on the subscribe button and join, and definitely don't forget to hit on the bell icon to get updated when I upload videos like this. And I wanted to take a minute to thank all of you for watching this video and making my day today. And I'm very much happy and thankful and grateful, you guys. Thank you so much. And I would let you enjoy the final reveal. And if you'd like to watch some of my videos, until next time, I'm going to tag some in the right corner of the screen. And like I always say, thank you so much for watching today, and I'll see you again.